Alright, we have a little bit of a problem. Driving my dad's car and a little sick today. These guys were taking too long with my freaking car, so I told them, nah, it's cool. I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave with my car, and now I have to figure out how to take it off. We all know how that ended last time, but I have faith. Hold up. What are those stuff? Yeah, I think that's the spot. That's where I usually.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too big to just go in the first place. You good?
Yes, yes. Okay.
See, this thing is not gonna fit. We need some bigger tools. All right, we have the toolbox, but it's locked. All right, it's not gonna take much. Just 2 little bobby pins and this. I don't know which one's gonna work. I'm just gonna try all of them. I'm just gonna like this. I'm gonna try doing it with the plastic thing. Usually doesn't work with plastic, but nope. This is not gonna work. Plastic's gonna break. Gonna bend this. Second one. This one. Gonna bend like this. Alright, I'm just gonna try it without setting my stuff first. It's not turning. It's not gripping. All I did right now was flatten this part. I just hammered it a little bit so it can fit. And I hate this process because I always have to make myself my own tools. This one, all I really have to do is bend it down, and then all I'm gonna do is bend it ever so slightly down on it. So I bend this one like this, very simple, and this one is just flattened for grip. The grip goes in, push it slightly to one side, as you can see. I'm gonna do this with my left hand just so you can see. This one goes in and starts messing around with those pins. Alright, should be a pretty quick process, and boom, open. Pretty easy. That's okay. You didn't expect it to open. Especially this one is very easy to open. Alright, let's get back to the car. There's nothing in here. The size, we still don't have the 23 or 22. This is not working out for us. Look at this toolbox. Holy! How much does this thing cost?
4, but the components that you get it with is about around 9. Because you get
900.
Huh? No, 9,000.
Shit! I need this, bro. But how did you even buy that thing? Just like that, problem solved. All that work just for a little turn.
It's metal to metal, it has to be must this thick.
So this thing is finished. You don't have to lock it. Oh, your toolbox. Yeah. So, just to catch you up, we were taking off the tire, ran into a little problem, went back to his house, and then went and get another toolbox. We got the tire off, then we got the brake shoes off. That's when we're replacing the brake shoes. So right now we're going back to town, give those in to get relined. I'm gonna go get them again after they're done, then put them on the car, and then I'm good. Okay, so we got all of that done. We're back home. Right now I'm clearly very ill, and I think I'm gonna go to bed. Bought myself some medicine. It's gonna make me drowsy, so I'm just gonna pass out. And if this is the end of the vlog, it will be very short. But either way, let's hope it's not.